Mom and Dad told Michael, Peter, and Dave, we want to talk to you about something. You're getting old enough, and you're getting old enough to live on your own. We want you to leave our home. It's not that we don't love you, it's that we can't afford to take care of you anymore, and we think you'd be better off living on your own. Michael, Peter, and Dave said, where are we going to live? Mom and Dad said, I'll give you the money for the down payment to buy the land. Michael, Peter, and Dave said, okay, Mom, we'll do that. I remember when you were a tiny little piglet, now you're fully grown. I hate to say goodbye, but bear off this way, if bear off you're living out on your own. I hate to say goodbye, I know it's hard for me, but it's something I have to let it go. I have to let go of you, you're better off on your own. It's sad to see you leave my happy home. Michael said we're here, at the shop where they have frown on any aisle. David asked the man that worked at the store, how much does this wheat cost? I want to build a house with it. The man that worked at the store, it costs this much. David said, I'll take it. Peter asked the man that worked at the store, how much does this pile of wood cost? The man that worked at the store said it costs this much. Peter said, I'll take it. Michael asked the person that worked at the store, how much does this pile of brick cost? The man that worked at the store, it costs this much. Michael said, I'll take it. Michael, Peter, and David said, I guess we better get started working on our houses, so let's get to it. Building a new house, building a happy home, building a happy house. What life could be more fun than living on your own? The world may be scary, but you got home. The wolf said, come out of your house or I'll blow your house of straw down. David Pig said, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. The wolf blowed the house down. The wolf said, I know you two pigs are in there. I'm going to blow your house down. David and Peter said, not by a hair of our chinny chin chin. The wolf blew the house down. The wolf said, I know your three pigs are in there, so I'm going to blow your house down. Michael, Peter, and David said, not by the hair of our chinny chin chin. The wolf tried to blow the house down, but he couldn't, so he gave up. So he went home. Michael said, you know the wolf is just going to come back and try to eat us. How about we try to find the wolf and we kill him? Peter and David said, that's a good idea. We'll find him. We're going to look for him. Michael said, that looks like a place. Let's go. The wolf said, I don't remember ordering takeout. Pigs. I like pigs. I don't remember ordering takeout. Michael said, we're here to kill you. The wolf said, I'd like to see you try. Do 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 do. Michael, David, and Peter said it's going to be great living on our own. Now the wolf is dead. They made Michael's house bigger, and Peter and Dave decided to share a house with Michael. And they lived happily ever after.